guys, let me share screen. Done. Okay, so right click on the software, you will simply click on download. Sometimes you will get, okay, what you can see this kind, guys, this is what I'll get regularly. Okay, so what happened, they will try to copy paste it. Okay, they will copy paste it and they will try to download. Simply they don't read what you can see here. They don't simply read it. Sir, I can't download the file, I am getting the error. Is this the error, guys? Can anyone tell me?
No.
Right, so
No.
it's not the error. You can see download anyway. It is saying I can't scan the file which is 4.2 GB. I can't scan the file. Do you want me to download this? Download anyway. People without reading the error, that's okay. See, if you don't know, I can teach anything, but simply without reading the error also people come back to me, sir. So the links that you gave me, that's not working. Hey, what happened? What error you are getting? Sir, I'm getting this error. Is this an error? I'm just sharing the experiences, guys. Last batch people, they did the same. Not one and two, almost 10 people, they just pinged me. Means they didn't even read the error also, the message also. So it is very important, guys. As a DBA, you should have patience first. You should read the errors completely. Even errors or notifications, you have to read the errors completely, guys, so that you will get an idea what is that and all. It's not the error, guys. Again, if I don't share this again, people will come back to me, sir, I'm unable to download, I'm getting the error. This is not the error, it is unable to scan it. Okay, simply you can click on download anyway button, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm going to provide you these softwares. Windows Server almost all 4.5 GB will be there. Okay, and SQL Server 2017 almost all 1.7 GB, and your 2019 is almost all 1.5 GB, guys. Okay, so to download all these things, and SSMS almost all 600 MB, to download all these files you should have minimum 10 GB data should be there. Okay, why I'm saying, if you are trying to download it from mobile data, it will be failed. You are going to lose your data, and mobile data sometimes, okay, sometimes mobile data, you can see, right, there are some fluctuations in the mobile data, so it will be disconnected, guys. Again, you have to start downloading from the beginning, guys. Okay, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, guys, so you need at least 10 GB to download all the software. So don't download with your mobile data. If possible, I'm sorry, let me resume the screen sharing. Okay, so if possible, try to go to the any of your friends is having like Wi-Fi. Just go to their homes and download it, guys. If you are trying to download it from your mobile data, it might fail. So make sure before downloading. Okay, make sure you have proper internet connection, guys. Right, so I have Windows Server software, I just already downloaded, guys. So I have the software. So what I can do, let me, I want to install Windows operating system, right? So if I want to install Windows operating system, what I have to do, guys, usually in the shops, what they will do, either they will put the bootable pen drive, or they will put the OS CD, right? So that's what I'm doing now. Right click on this machine, go to the settings. Okay, and go to the storage. I am going to insert a ISO image. Which ISO image? OS ISO image. ISO image means simply a virtual disk, guys. That's it. Okay. Select this empty CD. Select this drop down button. There is a disk, right? Small disk. Select this disk. You don't see these softwares, guys. Okay. You don't see these softwares as I am regularly using. That's why I can see here. But for you, you can see an empty here. Just click on choose virtual disk file. In which drive you just downloaded the software. Sometimes if you download it, it will go to downloads. Go to download and select the OS, guys. Now I am selecting my Windows operating. Okay. Now I am selecting my Windows operating system. I just selected the Windows operating system. Just click OK. Now I just inserted that bootable pen drive. Okay. Like that, imagine. Now if I want to install, what I have to do, I have to start the laptop, right? So how to start the laptop? Double click on the machine. Machine will start, guys. Okay, double click on the machine, or you can select this and you can click on start button also, or double click on it, simply the machine will start. Once the machine is started, it will start reading the operating system, right? So you can see the window. Now it will open, it will start installing the operating system. Installing Windows operating system is very easy. It's very simple, guys. Next, 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 install. That's it. It won't take much time. Just simply next, next, next. You have to select the language. Okay, once you selected the language, next, 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 install. That's it. In this way you can install the Windows operating system. It's very easy. Now you can choose next, guys. United States time zone. Make sure United States only, don't change to India. Why? Because you should experience the US timings and all. In the organization, our servers will be in the US time zone, UK time zone. So make it as a US time zone, guys. Don't change the time zone. Go to next. Click on install now. I'm going to install Windows Server 2012 R2, guys. Windows Server 2012 R2. If you have any Windows operating system like Windows 2016 and all, you can install. Guys, how we are having different editions in the SQL Server. For Windows servers also we have different editions. Okay, so data center edition, standard edition, you can see this software is having two editions. One is data center edition, second one is standard edition. You can choose any edition, standard or data center is fine. But guys, again I'm saying, choose second option or fourth option, which is GUI. If you choose first option, third option, this is a command installation. You don't get anything. You will simply get a command prompt screen after installation. Okay, you cannot make use of the machine. Don't, again I'm saying, don't choose first or third option. Choose GUI, either standard with GUI or data center edition with GUI. I'll go with the fourth option, or blindly select the fourth option, go next. And I accept the license terms. For any software you have to accept the license, right? I accept the license terms. Next, select the custom method, click on custom. Then you can see hard disk. I just gave 25 GB, right? If you remember, while creating the VM I gave 25 GB, so it will create a machine with a 25 GB C drive. Okay, 25 GB. Next, that's it, guys. Your installation will start now. If you gave 3 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, installation is very fast. If you gave 2 GB RAM, 1 GB RAM, installation will take time, 10 to 15 minutes time it will take, guys. Okay, so that's it. Once installation is done, you have to set the password for admin account. Once you just set the password, guys, then you can log into the VM, and then you can install the prerequisites like .NET Framework and all. Then you can proceed for the SQL Server installation, guys. Any doubts in installing Windows operating system?
So what is the difference between standard and data center?
Forget about it, sir. Forget about it. Okay. So we are not Windows admins. Okay. If you still need difference between standard and data center edition, you can go to Google. Just type it, difference between standard and why? Because there is no use of discussing those things. Okay. We are not going to choose the Windows editions. We are not going to install the Windows operating systems. Again, if you ask me, the basic differences can be, okay, like memory, in terms of memory, in terms of CPU. Okay, any addition, guys, main differences can be, okay, in terms of memory and CPU. How much memory it is going to support, how much CPU cores it is going to support. These are the main differences, guys. So there is no use of discussing, okay, differences between standard edition and enterprise edition of Windows operating system, as we don't deal with the Windows operating systems. Okay, if you are still interested, just go and Google it. You will get it, the list of features. Why? Because what is the use? No need to remember all the features. Also, no one will ask you about the Windows operating system. Okay, right. Any questions, guys? Okay, chalo. Let it install. No issues. Let it install. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll discuss one thing, guys. Okay, after installation, what we have to do, guys? Anyone remember the last step after installation? What we can do? Anyone remember the step?
So remote connection.
Correct, excellent. Okay, we have to set the remote connections. In the organization, we are going to connect to the servers remotely. We don't get direct access. This window, this console, what you can see, the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, what you can see, this console can be controlled by the Windows team. Okay, we don't control this console, starting the machines, stopping the machines, creating the VMs, installing the operating system, setting up the network connections. Everything will be controlled by the VM team and network team and storage team. So we don't control this console. Simply will get an IP address of the server. They will give the server name or server IP address. Then we have to connect to the server remotely, and then we have to install the SQL server in that. Okay. So how we are going to install the SQL server, guys? Once server is ready, once server is ready, Windows team will provide IP address. Okay. Windows team will provide IP address, or the customer will provide IP address. Hey, please install SQL server on this machine. Either they will provide server name or they will provide IP address. Anything is fine, guys. Anything is fine for us. Okay, so server name or IP address we can connect. So what we have to do, once we got the server name or IP address, we have to connect to the servers remotely, RDP or RDC, remote desktop connection, or remote desktop protocol, or RDP. We can call it as an RDP or RDC. Okay, guys. So we can only connect to the servers remotely. Then we can start installing the SQL servers. So I'll show you. So from day one onwards, you are going to do these things in the organization, guys. Once you go to the company, once you go to the organization, once your joining formalities are completed, they will give you separate credentials. They will give you separate credentials, means separate logins to log into the servers. Using that separate logins, you can log into the servers remotely. Again, I am saying you have to connect to the servers remotely. So what is meant by remote connections? Okay, we'll discuss. Chalo. Let's go to the draw IO, guys. I am going to use draw IO for our drawings and all. So let me explain using some pictorial representation how it will work. What is the difference between work from home, work from office? Okay, how we are going to connect to the servers? Okay, what is meant by VPN? Everything we'll discuss. Okay, with the diagrams. Create a new diagram, a blank diagram, batch 43. Okay, so yes, this application or this website I'm going to use to create the diagrams and all, guys. Okay, chalo. So let's go with the Windows server. Imagine, okay, this is your organization, guys. Imagine this is your organization. Okay, so this is the Infosys company. Imagine this is Infosys company. Okay, so imagine this is your Infosys company, right? So in the Infosys company, imagine you have some Windows servers. Okay, Windows server. Okay, so imagine you have some Windows servers are there. So let's pull one in Windows server. Which one is good? This one is good, right? Okay, chalo, let's go with this one. Okay, so what we'll have, guys? How we are going to connect to the servers usually in the organization?
Remote desk.
Correct. Okay, so what we are going to give? Server name and IP address, right? So every server will have a server name and IP address, guys. Okay, every server will have a server name and IP address. IP address. These are common, these are common, guys. So every server will have its own server name, its own IP address, guys. For example, I want to call you. I just use your name to call, guys. Right? In the same way, I want to call the server, so I have to either use the server name or I have to either use the IP address of the machine. So imagine the server IP address is like this. In the organization, the server IP address will be 10.10.10.14.36, like that it will be. So I have to either use this IP address or any server name is there, I have to use the server name. Okay, guys, so now this is my server. I want to connect to the server remotely. Okay, guys, I'll tell you. If you are in the office, imagine if you are in the Infosys building, or if you are in the any of the Infosys network. Okay, user. Okay, which user will go with? Yes, imagine this is you. Okay, I'm sorry, Control Z. Imagine this is you. Okay, and of course you will get the laptop, right? Once you are selected for any company, you will get the laptop, right? So this is your laptop. Let me go with this one. Okay, this is your laptop, guys. Now you are in the Infosys building, guys. Listen carefully. Now you are in the Infosys building. Okay, so this is you. Okay, and this is your laptop. You and your laptop, of course your laptop is connected to the Infosys network. So in that case, what you can do, okay, simply open your laptop. You will type remote. Just open Windows button, type just remote, guys. Once you type remote, you will get the, just here, type remote. Okay, you will get the remote desktop connections. It is taking time. You can see, right, remote desktop connection app. Or you can see here, just click on this Windows button, you can see remote desktop connection with a blue screen. Okay, you have to open this in your laptop. There is a shortcut for that. Can anyone tell me, guys, what is the shortcut?
MSTSC.
Correct, exactly. MSTSC. So you will open in your laptop, you will open run, you will type MSTSC. Once you type MSTSC, you will get this window, guys, remote desktop screen window. Okay, so this window you will get in your laptop. Now what you have to do, guys, here it will ask you, hey, to which computer I want to connect. You have to give the computer name or computer IP address here. What is this computer IP address, guys? 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot, sorry, 14 dot 1, just 36. You will give the computer IP, this server IP address you will give. Okay, this server IP address you will give in this remote desktop connection. Then if you click connect, automatically you can connect to the servers remotely, guys. This is how RDP will work. Okay, any questions, any doubts, guys? Let me know, please. If you are in the office, this is how the things will work. Any questions here, please, guys? Any questions? No questions? Are we clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, fine. So now let me keep it here. Go for Control Z.
So the same thing will happen from outside as well.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Like if we
That's what we are going to discuss now. What if you are doing work from home? Okay. What if you are doing work from home? Okay, done. Now this is good, right? Okay, fine. So what if you are doing work from home, guys? This is work from office. Okay, you don't need extra setup. Why? Because your laptop will be connected to the office network, Infosys Wi-Fi, Infosys LAN cable. Your laptop will be connected. So no extra efforts are needed. No extra softwares are needed. So imagine you are doing work from home, guys. Okay. So let me go with the home. Okay, so which home is good, guys? This home is good. Okay, Chalo, this is my home. Okay, or your home. Now you are doing work from home, guys. Okay, so again, let me go with one laptop. Laptop. Okay, this is the laptop, guys. Okay, this is the laptop. As you are using Airtel internet, so you have to go on top of your building, right? Earlier Airtel is so good, now Airtel is so bad, right? Do you feel the same thing, guys?
Yes, sometime.
Yes, okay, that's fine, right? So don't think you're working on roof, guys. Imagine that you are in the home only, right? Fine. So your laptop will be connected to your internet. Agree? Internet, guys. ISP. Let me check whether we have any images for ISP. Internet, internet. Internet. Okay. Deva DS. What is this Deva DS, Shavani?
Sir, the one I am working right now, first I need to connect to the same. It is like a remote desk
Okay,
connection only. First, I connect to the remote desk connection, and if I
correct,
want to check the server disk space or anything, I need to connect to the MSTSC, and
correct.
I'll check the. I think
Okay.
it works
So,
like that.
yeah,
I mean, in some offices, I
correct.
guess.
Agree. So, might be Deva DS is one tool you are using, right? Okay, so that is called jump servers. Okay, so in the organizations, sometimes we'll use jump servers, guys. Jump servers means first you will connect to one server. You cannot directly connect to the servers from your laptop, guys. In the middle, there is one jump server. First, you will from your laptop, you will connect to the jump server. There you will type MSTSC and you will connect to the servers. Okay, so that is called jump servers. We have different tools for jump servers. Citrix apps is one jump server tool, guys. Okay, anyone is using Citrix apps? Okay, so Citrix apps is one kind of the Stavani which she is using. That is a jump server. First, from her laptop, there will be one tool installed in that laptop. In her laptop, she will double click on it. She will open the tool. Then she will enter her credentials. Then those credentials, it will help us to connect to one jump server. There she will open MSTSC and there she is going to connect to other servers, guys. This is how it will work, right? Right, Shravani?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. So that is called jump server. So sometimes you have to connect to the jump servers from there for extra security. If you ask me why, for extra security, they are going to use jump servers. Shravani. Please mute it. Satish. Right. Okay. So that is for extra safety and security, Shravani. Okay. So that's why you can use jump servers and all. Okay. Chalo. So this is my home. I'm doing work from home, guys. So this is my laptop. My laptop will be connected to the internet. This is the internet, guys. So this internet might be an Airtel internet. This internet might be, okay, what we can say, Hathway, anything, guys. Okay. Imagine Airtel internet. Okay. This is your Airtel internet. So of course you will have your modem, right? This is your Airtel internet. Okay. So let's go with a router. I'm sorry, not modem, router. This is the router. So you will give router password. Okay. You will give router password to your laptop, guys. This is Airtel internet router. Okay, done. So your laptop will be connected to the router, guys. You will give Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi username and password. That is the router, Wi-Fi router. Array, Control Z. Right. Your laptop will be connected to the Wi-Fi router, guys. So by using Wi-Fi router, you are going to connect to the internet, guys. Okay. So you will connect to the internet. Listen carefully. It's not difficult architecture, guys. Very simple architecture. Nothing is there. Okay. It's very simple. Control Z. Okay. That's fine. So between your Infosys network and your internet work, right? Your home internet. Between your Infosys network and your home internet or home network, there is one device will be there, guys, or one software will be there. That software is called VPN, Virtual Private Network. Okay, so that is called VPN, guys. VPN. So what is this VPN? VPN is a software which will helps you to create a bridge between your internet and office network, guys. That's it. VPN is a software which will help you to create a bridge between your internet, either you are using Hathway or you are using, okay, whatever we can say, you are using Airtel, or you are using Ticona, or you are using some local networks, anything, guys, anything. VPN software will help you to connect a bridge between your internet work and your office network, guys. That's it. That is called VPN software. So once you got the new laptop, Windows team will configure VPN software in your laptop, guys. So whenever you are doing a work from home, first of all you have to connect to the VPN, and then you have to connect to the servers, guys. So there are different VPN tools are there, guys. Can you tell me any VPN tools or VPN softwares, guys?
All secure.
Pulse Secure, excellent.
Global
Next,
Protect.
Global Protect, super. Global Protect, okay. Now
So
lot of
Cisco,
people are using Global Protect. Cisco, Juniper, okay. So these are different VPN
VPN.
softwares, guys. These are the different VPN softwares. So if anyone asked, hey, have you connected to the VPN, means they are asking you to connect. Either companies, different companies might use different software. Some people will. Pulse Secure is the famous one, guys. Pulse Secure is the old software. Pulse Secure, Global Protect, Cisco, Juniper, Cisco VPN, Juniper. So different softwares are there. These softwares will act as a, okay, what we can say, VPN softwares, guys. These are the VPN software. Anyone they are going to install, and you can see, okay, by using this VPN softwares you can connect to the office network. Of course, once you connect it to the office network, without connecting to office network, without connecting to VPN, guys, you cannot. This is the flow, guys. Your laptop will be connected to the internet, wi-fi. Wi-fi will be connected to the internet. Of course, by using internet you will connect to the VPN. Once you are connected to the VPN, then only you can directly access the servers. Then the same thing, guys. Control C, and here you will open your Control V, MSTSC, same thing again. Here also you will type MSTSC, guys. But if you are in the office, if you are in the office, simply you'll open MSTS and you will directly connect to server. Why? Because your laptop and your Windows server both are connected to the Infosys network. Whereas in the when you are doing work from home, you are using different internet. So first you have to connect to the office network. First you have to connect to the office network. Okay. So to connect to the office network, we'll use VPN software. Once we are connected to the VPN, then only you can connect to the your Windows servers, guys. Then again you can open MSTSC or remote desktop, and then you can connect to the servers directly, guys. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts, guys? So VPN is very common, guys. Don't ask what is VPN. Okay, once you go to the company, once you got the job, while giving KT, if your manager or team leader asking, hey, have you connected to the VPN? Hey, sir, what is the VPN, sir? Don't ask like that. That is your first day and last day in the organization. Okay, so without VPN no one can connect to the servers, guys, and that too because of corona. 100% people are doing work from home since last 2 years. So definitely you should know what is VPN and all. So might be they might ask what VPN software you used in the organization, in your earlier organization. They might ask whether to check whether you are real DB or a fake DBA. You can tell any of these softwares, Pulse Secure or Global Protect or Cisco VPN or Juniper. Okay, these three are famous softwares, guys, in the market. And Shravani, what VPN you are using?
Cisco, sir.
Cisco Connect, right?
Yes.
Okay, done. Okay, so this is how it will work, guys. Any questions, any doubts, please let me know here. In the meantime, let me check the status of Windows. Yes, it was completed, guys. Installation is done. Windows Server installation is done. Now what I have to do? I have to set the password. There is an account, guys. Say for example, if there is a home, of course there should be a door also to enter into the home. Without door, I cannot enter into the door home, right? So in the same way, now Windows machine is ready. So now I have to log into this Windows machine. To log into this Windows machine, I should have one account. Okay. So by default, administrator account will be opened, guys. Once you install Windows Server, by default administrator account will be created. It will be opened in the laptop. What we are using daily, you can, while installing, you can set your username and password to log into the laptop. But for the servers, okay, initially you have to set password for administrator. Then you have to use this administrator username and password to log into the servers, guys. Okay, are we clear, guys? Are we good? Any issues, any doubts? Let it be. Yeah, we'll get. Yes, you can see, right? Username, you can see. You cannot edit your administrator, guys. You cannot give your own name. So administrator is by default username. So guys, very important thing, very important thing, very important thing, guys. Password. Password, guys. Throughout our course, we'll use 30 to 40 passwords. So don't give different passwords in different areas. Choose one strong password. It should be minimum 8, one caps, one small, uppercase, one lowercase, okay, one special character. Okay, so choose only one fixed password. Whenever, wherever it is asking password, give that password only. Again, if you forgot the password, I can't help you. Sir, how to do, sir? I just forgot my password. If you can't remember, if you are very bad in remembering the things like me, write the password somewhere. Okay, so please make sure, guys, give only a strong password and write it down somewhere until you remember, and then keep giving the same password in all the corners. Okay, right. So let me give you a strong password 123 and 123. This is my password, guys. Don't tell my passwords to anyone. Okay, let me click finish, or you can hit enter. Okay, now the machine is ready, guys. Now the machine is ready. Okay, now I have to log into the machine. How can I log into the machine, guys? Now I want to log into the machine. How can I log into this machine? Guys, now in my laptop, I have one more server. Okay, listen carefully. Now in my laptop, I have one more Windows laptop, guys. There are two laptops. One is physical laptop, which you can see. You can see, right? This is my physical laptop where you can see the screen and all. This is my physical laptop. Okay, and this is my virtual laptop, guys. Imagine this is my virtual lap. In my physical laptop, I just created one virtual laptop. Means there are two Windows machines now. One is my laptop physical machine that I can see. One is virtual machine that I can see. I can work, but I cannot touch this machine. Okay, I cannot feel it. Okay, this will be existed virtually, guys. Now tell me how to log into this machine. I want to log into this machine, guys. Tell me.
Right control plus deletes.
Very good, excellent. Okay, so you have to use. Okay. Right, so you can see control alt delete, guys. Don't press control alt delete. Okay, it will lock your laptop. Okay, so lock means you will get a different screen. Okay, so instead of that, what you can do, uh, you can see two control buttons on your keyboard, right? Everyone can see two control buttons on your keyboard, laptop keyboard. One will be on your left side, one will be on your right side, beside arrow keys. Beside arrow keys, that is your right control key. Only press right control and delete, guys. Only two keys, not three keys. Again I'm saying, okay. Again people will ask tomorrow while practicing, sir, I am unable to log into this machine, sir, what I have to do? They will ask. Okay, that's not an issue, you can ask, guys, but before asking, again I am recommending, please watch the videos. Everything will be okay, we discussed in the videos, guys. So use only right control plus delete. No need to press any alt button. Okay, right control plus delete. So I'm just using right control. Click on this black screen once and right control plus delete, you will get the Windows login screen. Just now I just gave the password, right? Just now I just gave the password, confirm password. I have to give that password. Tell me, guys, what is the password?
1, 2, 3.
123, right? Very good. Don't tell my password with anyone. Okay, keep it with you only. So now I just logged into this machine, guys. Okay, I just logged into this machine. Now it will take some time, just 1 minute to settle down the things. This is fresh machine, right? It will take 1 minute time. Once the machine is ready, on the right side, you will get one network pop-up screen, guys. It is going to connect to the servers. Okay, you will get the screen immediately. You have to press yes, guys. Don't press no. Again I'm saying, don't press no, click yes only, then it will be connected to the network, otherwise it won't connect it to the network. Okay, guys, that's fine. Let me reconnect. It is showing 1 minute. We'll create remote connections, then we'll connect to the server remotely, guys. Okay, please reconnect again with the same link.